Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. I've got some homework to do that I probably should be doing right now, but I feel like I'm getting more out of life doing this shit. Yeah. So many books that I never read. I've been all over the world. If you could see what I've seen, And with all due respect to my professors, school as of now, this my conjecture. I learn from adventures more than I learn from your lectures. I only put in effort to alleviate the pressure. I'm talking about the pressure that society applies. Go to school, get a job, then retire, then he dies. I'd rather live fast than be entirely surprised. They tell me I should plan ahead, then I would be wise. What about a rainy day? What can a cyclone soar? But turn the rain to sunshine, I am known for. They tell me if I stay in school, I grow more. But still I made a good case, iPhone 4. So many books that I never read. I've been all over the world. If you could see what I've seen, and I just wanna live my own life instead of living yours. I mean, isn't that what free will is given for? My lifestyle's changing now, I'm staying busy more. This time last week I was opening the Drizzy tour. Shameless plug, but word up, that shit was cool. On the road for about a month, skipping school, till I checked my inbox and my teacher wrote, you can't miss another class and still pass. Joke, this opportunity was huge. Teacher, why you hating on me now? What a douche. You mean I gotta lead this fun trip and all these fools I hung with, only simply to return back to this fucking dumb shit? So many books that I never read. I've been all over the world. If you could see what I've seen, the real world's what he faces. Fuck a classroom, I learn more going places. Trying to gain information. Refuse to let college stand in the way of education. Word. Teacher said that's just my point of view, but I'll still be in debt when I'm 32. So wait, you mean to tell me if I stay in school, I can maybe grow up to be just like you? So many books that I never read. I've been all over the world. Yo, G-Easy. Yo, ready, what up? Shout out to Matt and Kim. Hope it's cool I sampled your shit. I just think it's dope.